Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time with a pay with PayPal budget protection. So let's start. What is PayPal purchase protection? Well, it means that consumers safeguard that the first reimbursement for eligible items returned or not received, and this will help you a lot. Benefits of using the PayPal purchase protection is that the main benefit of using PayPal purchase protection is peace of mind knowing that if something goes wrong with your purchase, you can quickly and easily submit a claim to get reimbursed, avoid losses. It's also important to note that the service is free and accessible. No fees are associated with filing this claim, so you can do it. And how does it work? If you have a problem with eligible purchase, you must submit a claim to PayPal within 180 days of the transaction or shipment date to be considered for coverage under the protection plan. When submitting a plan or claim, you will be asked to provide information as evidence of the issue, such as photograph details about when and how the problem occurred and proof of payment like receipt. So you can do it, and you can fill this dispute through PayPal. So here is the link. You can start dispute with PayPal, as you can see, and get your money back. That is what help you if you need your reimbursement from money. You can fill this and get your money back. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.